Hi there, I'm Jackie and I run the Quiz Collective community. This is a community created by Interact that helps you create and optimize a quiz that will grow your email list, help you segment your leads so you can send the right information to the right people at the right time. And a quiz is a great way to keep your audience members engaged. Let me give you a quick tour. Once you're in the community, you can sign up for the next quiz coaching cohort, and this is where I'll take you through the quiz creation process. Each step of the way is listed out here in its own channel, so you can come back to these spaces and ask questions, share wins, get feedback, and learn from other members in the community that are in the same stage of the quiz creation process as you. Once you're ready to get some feedback on your quiz, you can drop your quiz link right here in the quiz feedback space. And this is where you'll get an honest critique from quiz coaches like me and the community members so that you're more confident in sharing your quiz before you hit publish. You can RSVP to expert sessions and events. Expert sessions are where we bring in experts on topics voted on by you, our community members, and these are things that will help you optimize your quiz, but also your overall business. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour, and I can't wait to meet you inside the Quiz Collective. Have a great day.